Hi there guys, it's Jon-Dean from the Immediate Edge, and in this next session we're going to actually look at how you can go and find some places to get some backlinks for your niche sites using Market Samurai. Hopefully you'll all know how to use Market Samurai quite well now after going through the challenge. And what we're going to look at today is the promotion module. Now you'll see up here I've got my keyword, which is kiteboarding. So I'm just going to come and click on the promotion button here, or you can also get to it on the left hand side under the promotion link. So once you come into the promotion area, you can choose to look for places to find to enter backlinks, and we can either look at places like Web 2.0 properties like Squidoo, Hub Pages, Weebly, Scribed. We can look at blogs. We can find forums as well. So if we just take, for instance, some blogs on Google, all we need to do is check the box and then click on the Find Backlinks button. And what Market Samurai does, it goes away and it looks for blogs that are based on the keyword kiteboarding in this case. And you can see we've found some blogs here, and you can see there's an Analyze button, so we can analyze each site one by one. Or we can actually come down here and click on the Analyze All button. So I'm just going to click on Analyze All. And after a few seconds, Market Samurai will come back and it will tell me 4 things about each of these sites. It will tell me if the backlink that you leave on this site is a no follow link or a follow link. It will tell me if the blog allows pingbacks. It will tell me the Google page rank of that page that you can leave your backlink on, and it will tell me how many incoming links are going to this specific page. Now, ideally, if you want to pass page rank to your site, if you want to get a backlink that is going to pass some page rank, we want to get the highest page rank as possible, and we want it to be a follow link, so have an F in this column. However, as Dan mentioned in the previous video, don't go all out just getting 50 follow links from PR7 sites, because it doesn't look natural at all. So you can sort any of these columns. We can click on the page rank and it will sort the page rank, and all of these are page rank of 0. Or we can click to sort by follow, so we can see that this site here, morphkite.blogspot.com, will provide a follow backlink. And if we want to just go and get a backlink from that site, all we need to do in Market Samurai is click on the title here, and it will open up inside of Market Samurai the page where you can get your backlink. And then if we scroll down, we can see we've got this post a comment area here. Now, if you click on this select profile in this specific one, you can see you can sign in with a variety of different options, but there's one here that says name and URL. So if I click on name and URL, you put your name and where you want your backlink to go to. Now, as Dan also mentioned in the previous video, you ideally want your anchor text for your link to be your keyword. So in this case, you would put your URL as the page on your own blog, WordPress Direct blog that you want to get the backlink for, and in the name box you would put your keyword. However, as Ed and Guru Bob have mentioned in the previous videos on the challenge, don't be a tool about this. Don't just drop in and go, oh hi, that's great, and just leave a backlink to kiteboard surfing ROs. The whole point of teaching market leadership as part of the challenge is to show you how to contribute to the niche and get out there and not just run into a room and go, hey, aren't I brilliant, here's a link to my site, and run away again. It's not particularly cool. So all you need to do there is put in a meaningful comment after you've obviously read the content and joined in the conversation, and there you go, you've got a backlink to your site. So you can just then come up here and hit the X button and you're still in Market Samurai. So you can go through, and that's how easy it is using Market Samurai to just go and find relevant places to get a backlink for your page. I just want to show you on here as well about pingbacks. Now, a lot of people aren't quite sure what pingbacks are, but quite simply what pingbacks are is if you leave a link to another page on your blog and the site that you're leaving that link to allows pingbacks, what they will do is they will check the link and then they will leave a link on their blog that points back to you. So it's like getting a backlink without having to go and do the backlink. In order to illustrate this, I'm going to head on over to a site here, and you'll see we've got the comments at the bottom of the site. I've just scrolled down, you can see we've got actual comments here that people have left. But then at the bottom we've got this trackbacks/pingbacks section, and you'll see this bit here, it's got like ... and then end ... and the content in between is the actual content that is on the other site. But you'll see here this tweets that mention HTML5 video for WordPress, that is a link back to the site that left the link. So that's what a pingback is. If you leave a link to this page on your blog, it will check that link and then it will leave a link back to your blog in the pingback section. And again, in Market Samurai, it's very simple to do. If we just sort by the pingback column here by clicking on it, you'll see this this top one, the kiteboarder.com, allows pingbacks. So all we need to do to leave a pingback is check this box, and you'll see on the right hand side now Market Samurai says create pingback HTML, and you can actually choose to have the link going to the site as being no follow. You can also have the link opening in a brand new tab, and you can have the link in a list, so a bulleted list. If you uncheck the box, it's just normal text, or you can put it inside a table. Now you might be wondering why you'd have it in a list, and quite simply it's because, you know, there's a few here. If we look on the left again, these sites are sorted by pingbacks. If we check like site number 2 and site number 3, you'll see on the right hand side now we have a list of 3 different sites. It's got a link to their site with a small snippet of the information. And really what this kind of thing is meant for is when you write your blog post, you might say at the bottom of it, oh, and for some other great resources on kiteboarding, check out these articles. So all you'd need to do to add that to one of your pages is you just click on the copy code button here, and then you go over to publish content where you've already hopefully hooked up your WordPress direct site, and it will just take a second to load. And if I just choose my personal blog here, it will go away and it fetches all my blog posts. Now you can either write a brand new blog post and put it in there, or if you wanted to add it to an existing blog post, this last one here of mine, if I just go and click on the pencil icon to edit, and there's my blog post. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and then, you know, I could just put here, for more Brill resources on kiteboarding, check out these articles, and then I've pasted that in. So all I've done is I've just pasted it in, and you'll see now that list in the table is already pasted in, and all I need to do is come down here and hit the publish button. And what will happen then is it will send a ping to each of these 3 sites. Each of these 3 sites will come back and check that that link exists, and then they will automatically create a pingback link to my blog, much like this pingback link that's here. So that's what a pingback is. And again, in Market Samurai, they make that super simple to do. Now I'm just going to close that down because I don't actually want to change my my blog post to include kiteboarding, because this is just an example. But that seriously is how simple it is to get some good quality backlinks and also pingbacks to your site using Market Samurai. So that was just a quick session today, just to walk you through that. So I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you next time.